If you're struggling with body image, I highly recommend Kate Huffman's body positivity workshops. She is in tune, she's compassionate, and she's extremely knowledgeable. Having had lived with eating disorders for over 20 years, she's been through it all, and anorexia and bulimia. And I found out about her struggle with eating disorders by going to her one-woman show, I'm Too Fat for This Show, which was fantastic. It was, she used humor in a way to talk about not just body image issues, but mental health altogether. And Kate has taken all of that information, all of that experience, all that knowledge, and distilled it into her body positivity workshops. And I've had the pleasure of sitting in and helping, guiding some meditations, and they are fantastic. The women have breakthroughs, have transformations in the moment, and I highly recommend it if you are struggling with body image.